Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the screen pattern password, this time for the Samsung A72, for those of you who forgot your pattern or pin. In some cases you'll need to connect the USB cable, but you don't need to download any software. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode, or you can go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. So remove your SIM card, also take out your memory card, and in a bit I'll talk about how you can also remove your Google email and password if you need to. Alright, let's do the procedure right now. Leave the device on this screen right here. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so you can do it yourself and unlock your phone, alright? Hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. Let's wait a few seconds. Just a little bit longer. Release the volume down and press the volume up. Pay attention to the screen. Now yes, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top. Once you reach this recovery mode screen, I want to give you a tip. You can also use this procedure on other models and you'll probably be able to unlock other devices you want to try this on as well, alright? So now we go down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, where it says IP data factory reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to complete. Once you reach this screen, confirm one more time and your device will start unlocking, formatting and restoring. You'll see it will restart soon. There won't be any more lock screen passwords here. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you need to unlock your email, your password or your Google account, we can help you unlock it even remotely. Our number will be in the video description or in the channel description. You can get in touch and talk directly with me to clear up your doubts, ask your questions and also check the price for your unlock. If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description or in the channel description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.